You're watching Infinity Tech. Let's limit your iPhone charging to 80%. iPhone has a built-in feature called optimized battery charging. Go to settings, then battery, tap battery health and charging. Here you will see optimized battery charging. Ensure this is turned on. This feature learns your daily routine and delays charging past 80% until you need to use your phone. It doesn't permanently cap at 80%. To force an 80% limit, you need iOS 13 or later and a specific charging pattern. The system will sometimes show a notification saying charging is paused at 80%. You cannot manually set a permanent hard cap for more control. You can use a smart plug-in automation. Create a personal automation in the Shortcuts app that turns off the plug when battery level reaches 80%. This requires a compatible smart plug-in setup. Another method is to use a low-power USB port or a charger with a built-in limiter, but these are not officially supported by Apple. The optimized charging setting is the best official method to reduce battery aging. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.